Welcome to Myathe Magick. This isn't a spiritual sugar rush. This is chaos magic for the broken and burning. We live in a world of closed systems, capitalism, surveillance, algorithms, control. And we're told it's normal, natural, unchangeable. But it isn't. Magic is how reality gets made. Symbols, rituals, beliefs, language. Corporations use it. Religions use it. Governments weaponize it. You just forgot it was magic. This channel is for remembering, for restoring flow to the psyche, for breaking false realities, for turning your trauma into fuel, for planting wild thoughts in dead soil. I'm not here to vibrate higher. I'm here to reclaim imagination. I'm here to hijack the signal. I'm here to remind you, you are infinite. You are nature. You are the chaos they tried to erase. Subscribe if you're ready to take reality back. This is Myathe Magick, and this is only the beginning.